Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones. Yes, I am. I'm still on the road. First, let me say congratulations to all the ones that obtain the CDLs, all the ones that are driving by themselves, reaching them home daily. It's a blessing. Right now, I'm going to show you how to perform a quick maneuver. I am doing the 40. I have a 40-foot container. So normally I count 3 containers or 3 trailers or 3 spots. So
I'm gonna begin this back up. So then right here, this is where I'm gonna go. And then I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. But since it's a 40 foot, I'm only gonna count 2. So then this is 1, 2, and then when my front of the bumper reaches the edge of the last trailer container, then I will go all the way to 3 o'clock.
all the way to 3
And
o'clock.
then I'll make sure there's no one coming. Make sure it's clear. Use your mirrors. Then start cutting to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Keep going. Use your mirrors. And look behind you. See your tandems? I use my tandems. So right now, this guy here, I gotta wait for him to pass. This day cab. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So I gotta pull up a little more because this guy here. So here we go. Alright, he passed. Now I start to back up. And then I'm following my tandems. Make sure they by the white line. Alright? So that's what I'm using. I'm guiding my tandems on the white line. Go slowly. So right now I'm opening the gap. Left is to open the gap, and right is to close the gap. So I'll stop right here, pull forward, just to straighten out a little bit. See the white line on my mirror? Now I open the gap, and that's your gap right there. Your trailer between this trailer. See, that's about 2 feet, approximately about 2 feet. And then keep going. See, right on. See the white line right beside my tandem. And that's how she wrote.
I like to pull this one in, push the red. That's what you want to do is you want to reverse a little bit to release the tension off the fifth wheel. And then neutral. These are automatics, of course. Turn off the truck. Show you what I'm talking about. So your tandems, when you're coming in, right, to go in your spot, I use my tandems. So as your tandems come this way, right, this is what you're doing. You're going right in, okay? So when you go right in, and you're already on the spot, so if you open the gap, you're moving away from the line. If you close the gap, you're moving towards the line. So this is close the gap, moving towards the line, open the gap, moving away from the line. And then this is how you do it. You maneuver, you watch your tandems as you go. Sometimes you might go to the left too much, and if you are too much, then you bring it back in, which is close the line. So then if you go wide, turn right to bring it in. If you go in too much, turn left to bring it out. All right, my peoples? You see that, my peoples? Practice is the key to success, all right? Take your time. Get out and look as much as you can, as many times as you can. I didn't have to because I'm already, you know, sort of like a pro, you can say. So there it is, all right, my people? So don't forget to focus, drive safe, be safe, fly safe. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out. Later. Much love.